Her Excellency, Dr. Mrs. Aisha Muhammad Buhari, my siblings and the entire Buhari family, I thank you. Your presence today is a kindness we will not forget. You have honored our father and husband not only with your words, but also with your prayers and embraces. Mr. President, our dear Daddy, thank you for being here and for the warmth of your tribute. You and our father shared a long journey of cooperation and service. Your words today carried that history with dignity and challenged all of us to turn memory into action for the good of Nigeria. We are forever grateful to you. To the First Lady, Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON, thank you for standing by a family with compassion and grace with your women folk, the wife of the Vice President, wife of the Senate President, wife of the Speaker of the House of Representatives, wives of the governors, female ministers, wives of the service chiefs, wives of the ministers, wives of the senators, wives of the members of the House of Representatives, and the Oluremi Tinubu Support Group. You all reminded us that we are not alone. Your kindness gave us strength when we needed it the most. To our leaders across parties, governors, ministers, legislators, members of the judiciary, service chiefs, past and present, diplomats, traditional and religious leaders, thank you for standing with our family. You reminded us that beyond contest, there is country, and beyond offices, there is duty. This book captures more than just a record. It captures a rhythm, the rhythm of a life lived with restraint, steadiness, and a stubborn belief that public office is a trust. It is not a perfect story. No human story is. Excuse me. And it calls the next generation to build systems strong enough to carry good intentions all the way to good outcomes. To every young Nigerian listening, learn from his example: integrity, moderation, patience, and strive to go further. Build the institutions that make it easier to do what is right and harder to do what is wrong. If that becomes the legacy of the season, then our family's sorrow will be eased by a nation's progress. To the speakers and our gracious MC, thank you for bringing voice and structure to this event. To the protocol teams, security personnel, medical staff, ushers, media crew, and all unseen helpers who made this gathering possible, may you feel recognized and appreciated today. To the author, Mr. Charles Somoli, you have given our nation an honest book. You gathered facts, guarded testimonies, and resisted the temptation to make the story a story smaller than the man or larger than the truth. We are grateful for your scholarship and your care. Permit me a personal word. To many, he was the commander-in-chief. To us, he was simply Baba. We knew the quiet man whose prayer beads clicked softly before dawn, whose smile was modest but sincere, and whose first question at home was never about power but about people. Are they well? Are they safe? Are we doing enough? Those simple questions guided his public life. We also sincerely wish to thank Mr. President for his dedication to completing the National Armed Forces PTSD Center project in Abuja, which President Buhari began. This is a vital facility initiated by the Defense and Police Officers' Wives Association, DAPOA. It aims to offer comprehensive assessment, treatment, support, and counseling to our military personnel. Thank you, Mr. President, for your backing in bringing this project to completion. To those who traveled long distances, who left busy schedules, who sent messages and who prayed to us in mosques and churches, thank you. We have read your notes, we have felt your prayers. In our grief, your kindness has been a refuge. We conclude with a prayer. May Almighty Allah have mercy on the soul of our father, late former President Muhammad Buhari. May Allah forgive his shortcomings and may Jannatul Firdaus. May Allah grant him Jannatul Firdaus. May he comfort our mother and our family. May he bless the president, guide our leaders, heal our land, and keep Nigeria in unity and peace. From our hearts to yours, thank you for today, for the honor you have shown, and for the hope you carry with you as you leave this hall. May God bless you, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you very much, spokesperson for the family for today, Hadiza